Hey guys, what's up? Batan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 websites that you can sign up for and earn $50 a day or even more by testing apps with your smartphone. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload on a consistent basis videos on how to make money online and much more. And of course hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay. First thing, the reason why I show you 3 sites today is actually because I think you should sign up for more than one, because that one site that you sign up for might not have a testing application job for you that single day that you're looking for it. So you should have 2 or 3 of those signups, and I'm going to show you actually 2 free sites and 1 paid, with a small investment of course. But I'm going to explain you everything, so with that being said, let's get started. So the first site that we're going to have a look at is betafamily.com, and really simple. They actually want you to be a beta tester for their application. They have a lot of apps in here, so I'm going to show you how it works. All you have to do is you're going to sign up here, and you register either with Facebook, Google, or your email. I do suggest that you should sign up with email, of course. And if I go back here, let's see here. Let's browse a test to see what kind of a test. So you can see there is some options here that you can search for Android, on iOS. I am on iOS, so I go for iOS. And we have different categories here. So let's say that I go for games, for example, and we have 3 options here. These are available right now. This is from 1st of November until 6th, and tap to goal. So let's go to the test page and see some more details. And you can see here it's tap to goal, beat a defender, score the highest point, collect golden ball, show red card, etc. Shield is your friend, collect stars. So we have to look at the requirements and see that we are in here. Male and female, 13 to 80 years old, iOS 6 and above. It should be on an iPhone or iPad, and this is good one because it's not all the apps that say all the corners of the world. So no matter what country you're in, you can actually apply for this. So all you have to do is you apply here and go ahead and test it out. And this is how much you can earn actually. So a normal reward is between $5 and $20. So if you make 2 or 3 of those, you're definitely in the $50 range per day. And you get paid into your PayPal account actually with this. So that is about Beta Family, and the next site that we're going to look at is the trymyui.com, exactly as you see it here. It works pretty much similar here also. You can see here, become a tester. So you have to sign up here, fill in the details, and you see here you will be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes, so 5 of those, which should take you 1.5 hours, but let's assume you go a bit slow, so it takes you like 2 hours, and it is 25 per hour. And fair enough, I think it's pretty good to make $50 for 2 hours of testing out some apps here. So you fill in the details and they will get you straight away to what you're going to do. Actually, you have to fill in some, you're going to write a review and see how it works. I'm going to explain to you. And you see here they pay out with PayPal every Friday. Okay, this is an example here. You can see actually desktop or a mobile, so we go for a mobile. So this test is typical example of usability study. Duolingo is an app for learning languages, and what is happening is that the user begins by choosing Italian lessons, and he completes the first lessons and he sets up his account. So the top findings, you can see here that This guy, he actually left a review. The user felt that there wasn't enough of instructional. So basically this is about see how the environment in the app is so they can improve, and that's why they actually pay you to test it out. So really simple, get started, sign up as a tester here, and you will get with the instructions. The last one that I'm going to show you is appcoiner, which is a paid version. I mentioned it earlier, but has a few benefits, and it's a small investment. So let me show you here. You choose an app to test from the review database, and you have to write your honest review, of course, okay? And then you get paid. So you can see here there is a few benefits, as I mentioned. You don't need to be a professional writer, just basic English knowledge, and any kind of smartphone works. And let's see here. Here is you have much more potential actually. So let's say that you are taking on 2 applications where you can make 25, you can see you can make even more. So there you have your $50 a day, which should be a monthly income of $866, and you can even increase it here. Let's say that you have 4 one day, you can make $100 per day, okay? You get real money, okay, like any other. So this is a tested and proven sites, and they actually explain here why there is a cost. So you can see we charge a small one-time fee because appcoiner does not pay you directly for reviewing the apps. So this is a platform actually between the app and the user, okay? But as I said, they have a big database, so you definitely have much more potential to make money here. But it's up to you. As I said in the beginning, I definitely recommend you to sign up for 2 or 3 of those, because one day one site might not have any task or any app for you to test out. So there is good to have variation. So that's why, as I said, I recommend you to sign up for 2 or 3 of those sites. Okay, so there you have it. 3 websites on how to earn $50 a day or even more by testing apps with your smartphone. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and there is a link in the description for appcoiner if you want to sign up for that, and of course my top recommendation on how to earn money online. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.